with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
Well, this morning we started off with a little bit of sunshine, but then look at this low cloud deck that came right through. We had another weak disturbance that passed through, and by the late afternoon, you'll actually see some snow squalls come in by about 3:30. Here we are. Boom, comes right through, brings down some lowering visibilities and also wet the pavement out there. Temperatures got up to 41 degrees. Our average highs are supposed to be in the upper 40s. A very cool air mass continuing this northwest flow, and with that flow continuing for the foreseeable future, we will have to monitor additional chance of some rain and snow showers, maybe some of which might have additional accumulation as we go into the days ahead. So 49 is our average high. We saw a high of 41 today. Record high in 1990 was 72. How about the record low, 9 degrees back in 1951? We're not going to get that cold, but we are going to cool down into the 20s overnight tonight. 33 was the coldest high temperature across the area of Antigo. 39 in Oshkosh, 37 in Appleton. We got most of us elsewhere across in the lower 40s. Right now we are dropping down into the mid 30s and upper 20s. We're at 33 in Mountain, 37 in Sister Bay, 35 in Oshkosh, and 34 in Appleton. But it feels even colder out there, about 5 to 10 degrees cooler. Right now, the current feel like most of us are in the mid and upper 20s. Antigo being the cool spot, feeling like 19 outside. Winds coming in out of the west at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. That's the reason why we do have that wind chill factor. But the winds are going to start to subside. Even just driving on the roads, you could probably feel, especially going on the north and southbound roads, feeling a little bit of shaking. But once the system starts to pass through, which it's already doing so, we will start to see those winds subside tonight. Just a lingering couple of flurries and maybe a little rain-snow mix for some of us, but it's mostly in the form of light snowfall. There's that weak disturbance with the low-pressure system right now up in Canada. Our next disturbance and weather makers right now moving in from Alberta and Saskatchewan. That's going to head in here by late tomorrow night and bring us an additional chance. This time it does appear perhaps starting off as some rainfall, but then as temperatures cool off tomorrow night, it'll turn over to some snow. Here we are, a little bit of rain starting to develop by the late afternoon hours with the associated light weak warm front. And as we go into the rest of the evening hours, pretty much an isolated chance of some rain. As we get to Monday morning, some cool air starts to work its way in here. Could see a changeover with some rain and snow showers on and off at times, and that will continue to be the case for most of the day on Monday. So not too pleasant out there. Temperatures, or I should say snowfall accumulations, not much. Might see a dusting to a half inch up towards the far northwestern part of the Northwoods. Tonight cooling down 25, but partly cloudy skies, flurries early, winds out of the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow we get a high temperature 43, mostly cloudy skies. A few showers developing, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. Winds out of the south and southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Daylight savings time, you get to sleep in for another extra hour. Temperatures cooling, remaining cool throughout most of that 7-day period, with highs perhaps not even breaking the freezing mark on Thursday and Friday. So when we're talking below average, we're not kidding around here.
I mean, it literally feels like the AC is on in here. Is it on?
I hope it's not inside, but if you go outside,
it's so cold
it's
outside.
really cold.
It kind of like radiates inside.
The suit jacket helps.
The suit jacket?
Yeah,
I need to get a suit.
we're warm, you're not.
Thanks, Gino, for that. Well, coming